Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to stop your Google Play Store from auto-updating your apps. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to stop your Google Play Store from auto-updating your apps, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Play Store. And once you're on Play Store, next, I want you to tap your profile on the top right corner. And then after that, go to Settings. And once you're on Settings, next, I want you to go to Network Preferences. And here on Network Preferences, you will now be able to see the Auto Update Apps option, just tap it. And finally, for the last step, you can now select the Don't Auto Update Apps option to completely stop Play Store from auto-updating your apps. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Play Store won't auto-update your apps anymore. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.